for nights, can't sleep no more. Your ghost are knocking on my door. Whiskey tears on the bedroom floor. I tried to move on, but my heart said no. Every time I close my eyes, you're there again, smiling like you never caused this pain. But in my dreams you turn so cold. You're the fire that burns my soul. Even in my dreams you're cruel to me. You break my heart in my sleep. Can't run away, can't set me free. You got me bleeding underneath. Girl, you're the storm in my peace. Even in my dreams, you're cruel to me. You used to say I'm all you need. Now your love gets deep. I bleed fake halos in my memory. You were heaven, now you're misery. Try to drown your voice with sound, but it echoes when I'm down. Your name's tattooed on my pain, and I can't wash it away. Even in my dreams you're cruel to me. You break my heart in my sleep. Can't run away, can't set me free. You got me bleeding underneath. Girl, you're the storm in my peace. Even in my dreams, you're cruel to me. Maybe I'm cursed, maybe it's love. Maybe I just ain't enough. Every night I fall apart. You still live inside my heart. I see your face in the dark. Whispered lies leave a mark. Can't wake up, can't believe you still haunt me in my dreams. Even in my dreams.